Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can find the friendly lobster in Fish It. So the friendly lobster is a unique sought after catch in Fish It, and this is where you can get it. So first you need to, of course, go to the classic island in here and go up to the iron cavern. So I'm going to just go up in here. So just teleport through the iron cavern. So once you're inside the iron cavern here, for the locations, I got the lobster in this right side of the like the portal in here, so you can get it from here. And for the tools that I use, I'm using the asterisk with a chroma bait. So try your luck to get this lobster in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.